The famous Piazza Ducale in Vigevano was built at the end of the 15th century as an access point to the castle, at the behest of Ludovico il Moro, Lord of Milan. The current appearance of the square is due to the 17th century intervention of Bishop Juan Caramule, who had the cathedral facade constructed and conceived the square as an access point to the cathedral. From the Bromonte Tower you can enter the castle, which was the noble residence of the Visconti family until the 14th century and later of the Sforza family from the second half of the 15th century. Passing through the ducal stables, you can reach the International Footwear Museum, which houses shoes from all over the world. The covered street, dating back to 1347, is a masterpiece of medieval military engineering. The Abbey of Morimondo, 13 kilometers from Vigevano, was founded by a group of monks from Morimondo, France. In addition to the church, which features a fine wooden choir, tourists can visit the cloister, the chapter house, the scriptorium and other areas.